Yo, what's good, gang? Deep FX here again. So, like I previously told you guys in the part 3 of our Go strategy, I think that, you know what, I think we need to stop, guys. We need to stop. So, this is going to be the last part of this crazy Go strategy. And guess what, guys? I just made $1,500 with this massive sale, and as you guys can see, I just literally have to even start filming it now. As you guys can see, this stuff is still dropping, guys. Over 200 plus pips in less than 1 hour, guys. Made over $1,500. So of course I'm going to get to the charts now and break this down. I mean, this is also something we know already. You guys are familiar with the 3 o'clock strategy. Once 3 o'clock reach, you get your confirmations, you get your trend direction, and you open on the trade. I mean, this was literally what I used to catch over 200 plus pip drop on gold. And without further ado, guys, let's get to the chart. And yeah, sorry I wasn't able to record this drop, guys, because as you guys can see, there's like a change of scene, right? You guys see that there are some little changes, but I'm going to definitely update you guys on all of that. So I wasn't able to film because I wasn't on the chart right now, so I was just outside. But due to the fact that, of course, we already know our strategy. Once it's 3 o'clock, you set your timer or everything. Once it's 3 o'clock, you open the chart, or even before 3 o'clock, because I was already on the chart before 3 o'clock, checking my phone and looking for updates and trade opportunities to enter. So without further ado, let's hop onto the chart, and I'm going to break this down to our understanding. I'm going to show you guys some couple of clips too when we actually while we're actually trading. Let's go. So you guys know me. The first thing I do before opening on any trade is check my news, and the platform I'm using doing that is FastBull. So with FastBull economic calendar, I was able to detect that there was high impact news around 130. So there was this Canadian CPI. So of course I did wait to stay off the chart, and since you guys know that we trade 3 o'clock, so 130 wasn't disturbing our 3 o'clock price movement. But of course there was high impact at 130, and FastBull was able to let me know about that. And you guys will see that there is this crazy thing happening, guys, on FastBull, right? So there's a trading competition that's ongoing, guys, and the first is going to win Is going to win $10,000. Second is going to go away with $5,000, and the third is going to go away to $3,000. And the crazy thing about this is that is not all, guys. There's still even more, guys. So if you click on this register now, to take us to this platform now, and you guys will see that even after the first, second, and third prize winners, there are still a lot of cash prize to be won, which is from the 4th to the 10th place. So even if you don't take first, second, or third, you still get to compete for other positions. This trading competition is for free. All you just have to do is to register with FastBull and get in on the trading competition. And I'll also be doing that live now, because me too, I'm going to be participating, guys. I mean, who doesn't want $10,000 for the first prize winner? To register for this competition, all you just have to do is to click the link below in the description, and just click on this register. You guys will see the trading competition at the FastBull tab. And right here, you guys will see that there are some rules. So major rules that we need to know is the first one. The first one, which is the system will automatically create this account. So an $100,000 account is going to be automatically created for you. Other important rules that you might not know about FastBull trading competition is that you are allowed to use a leverage of 1 to 400, and you are allowed to trade over 32 currency pairs, including gold, silver, and the likes. And also, one more important thing, you are allowed to open 10 position max at just one time. So if you place if you open one standard lot size, you're only allowed to open 10 positions at a time. So if you want to open a position, you have to close one before you can open one. So for those that use robots, sorry about that, guys, but for these trading contents, robots are not allowed. There's no any automation. You have to place trade with technical analysis or your ICT or anything that you use to trade. Make sure you click the link down in the description, guys, to sign up and contest for a cash prize of $10,000 with FastBull. Let's go. You know the crazy thing about this is that I don't even need to start explaining, start blah blah blah, start blabbing about a strategy or something, because this thing is as clear as day, guys. So we got in on this sale around 259, around 250, 259, which was about 2 minutes to 1 minute before 3 o'clock, which is of course where we predicted that the move initially starts, right? Either the sell or buy move. And how I was able to catch this sale was very simple. I initially saw the highest point price got to, and of course I kind of like knew that. So my prediction was that if price should break this previous high right here, before 3 o'clock, that means what? That means the overall direction is going to be a buy. But if price doesn't break here and give you a weak rejection, so the major confirmations I used for this to catch this 3 o'clock sale was this major weak rejection right here. Because price, you cannot tell me that a price cannot be just buying. Price cannot be buying and then you just create a weak rejection right here, and then the buy will not continue. It doesn't happen like that. So my prediction was that if price should break this previous high right here, I was going to take a buy, which means that 3 o'clock move was most likely going to be buy. But of course, since price didn't break this previous high right here, and then price gave me weak rejection, I didn't even need to wait for 3 o'clock to come and for me to start seeing a bearish momentum before I open on that sale. I just knew that a sale was coming, and 3 o'clock move was going to be a massive sale, and then we opt in on this. And guys, this trade was crazy, guys. Give us a 1 to 8 weeks to reward, guys, catching over 200 plus pips on this trade. And it was a very, very good trade, guys. And you guys will see that at the end of the day, price is going to our overall TP. Price have literally gotten up to a 1 to 11 RR on just one trade. So we're risking just 20 pips on this particular trade. As you guys can see, we entered at 2530, and our SL was just at 2532. So we are just risking 20 pips on this trade, and we're able to catch over 200 plus pips. So it's that simple, guys. I don't need to start explaining all of this. And you guys will see that even the 330 move I told you guys that used to happen still happen. So after this particular drop, you guys see that after this sale right here, price sold from 2530 to 2520, about 100 pips, on this sale. And then the retracement happened at 330. I usually tell you guys that retracement usually happen at 330. So even if you miss the 3 o'clock move, you can still get in on the 330 retracement. Retracement happened on 330. So even if you got in right here, let's take for instance, you took a sale right here, and of course your SL is at this previous stop right here, you will still you still have been able to catch a massive sale too on board. So retracement happened at 330, and this was still the retracement before the massive drop continued. So this is as simple as this, guys. I've literally been saying this ever since the part 1 of this video, and this is the part 4. And I believe that I don't even need to talk much on this. For those that want to use it, for those that want to pick, or that must have picked 1 or 2 from this, I'm sure you guys are not chilling. you guys are not bothered with the knowledge I've initially shared. And you guys can just appreciate me by subscribing to this channel, and make sure you follow me on X, guys. I drop all the signals on X. It's not even usually. I drop all the 3 o'clock signals on X. So if you are still confused about this stuff, follow me on X and follow my signals. Then all the links will be left down in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out. See you guys.